I'm just trying to see if it's serious. Right, Maurice, you don't know how to be serious.
Is that working? It's recording. Why is it recording?
Because I had started it to see myself.
Are you gonna walk in and be like, hello, boys and girls?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
No?
What's wrong with you? I'm just gonna sit right here and I'm gonna talk about the camera.
Yeah, okay, we leaving. Come on.
That's it. You can stop it. Since you must stay. So it's fine. All right, you guys, here we go. I got a new camera. I've been wanting one for a long time. So guess what? This is the last video with me using my phone. I'm so excited. So it's a Canon. It's a EOS M50. My boyfriend got it for our 1-year anniversary gift, and I've been waiting to open it. I've been waiting to play with it. So here we go. It's my beautiful box. Show you closely. All around. Okay. It just kind of tells me everything about it. So, in the box, it comes with an instruction manual for the camera itself. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Also, I didn't mention that I got it from Best Buy. I ordered it last night and it was ready today. So my camera strap that was in the box. Maybe that's upside down. And the lens for my camera. Pretty fancy, right? I'm so excited, y'all. This is about to be so nice. It comes with, we'll have to figure out what this is. I should have just taken everything out first. So this is the battery to charge it. And then finally, the actual camera. This is so lit. So this camera, if I can figure out how to get the mirror off and it rotates. So I wanted one of these because when I'm teaching, a lot of times I'm using my phone for music. So it's harder to record things if I'm using my phone for music. Then I have to completely stop playing music, and then everybody knows what's going on, and now everybody's out of their natural whatever. So, see if I can get a close-up so you guys can see. It's my first camera. I have to buy a mic, but nonetheless, a great camera. And it flips. Oh, not that way, but it flips. So this is everything that came with it. The manual, the strap for the camera, battery, to charge the battery, the physical camera, and then also a lens. I'm so excited and I can't wait to play with it. So yeah, I'll give you updates as I play around with my camera. So yeah, this is my first camera. It's a Canon EOS M50. Before I had gotten the camera, I did a lot of research on like YouTube videos and just like internet searches on which camera would be the best camera. This one came up, like literally in all of my searches, it came up as one of the top cameras. And yeah, so in this video you see me just kind of putting it together, reading the instructions and seeing what it's about. I've never had a camera before, so I'm like super excited to be recording stuff on my camera, and mostly excited because I no longer have to record them on my phone. Yay! So yeah, right now I'm just putting together the camera itself so that I can take some pictures. I think I'm gonna try to go out today or either tomorrow and see if I can get some good shots or something, take some practice with it and see. But the rest of my videos should be coming from this camera and not from my phone. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the type of things that I'm going to produce with it. I can't wait to see the work that I'll be doing with it, and I can't wait to come back in a couple of months to give you guys a review. So yeah, right now just putting it together. I'm gonna go test it out sometime today or maybe tomorrow, and then a couple of months from now, maybe a month or two, I'll do a review on what exactly I like about it and if there is anything that I don't like, so you guys will be the first to know. That's pretty much it. I've been waiting for this for a while. I was researching cameras and I have found that this one was the best one to do like recordings and pictures for YouTube and just other branded things, like for the businesses that I have, for when I do hair, for when I teach people how to flip. So it's a good camera for those.